Passive Income Ideas for 2025. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on passive income ideas for 2025. In today's fast-paced business environment, entrepreneurs are constantly seeking ways to diversify their income streams. We'll explore several passive income strategies designed to offer entrepreneurial guidance for those looking to augment their financial portfolios sustainably. Let's delve into these exciting opportunities. Before we dive into the specifics, let's define what passive income is. Unlike active income, where you need to consistently engage, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. It's a great way for entrepreneurs to build wealth over time, requiring some initial investment, be it in time, money, or effort. The aim is to create streams of money that flow consistently with little daily maintenance, making it a smart pursuit for savvy entrepreneurs. As we approach 2025, it's crucial to future-proof our income strategies amid an ever-evolving economic landscape. The rapid technological advancements and shifting consumer behavior create dynamic opportunities for generating passive income. Entrepreneurs need to stay ahead of these trends to capture lucrative ventures that promise growth and security. Let's address the elephant in the room: initial investments. Passive income streams often require upfront input. This might involve financial investment, time spent on setup, or effort in building a framework. However, this investment is worthwhile when considering the potential for ongoing returns without constant involvement. We'll now explore innovative passive income ideas tailored for 2025's unique environment. We have selected these based on current trends and future projections to ensure they remain relevant and lucrative. Real estate remains a pillar of passive income, but accessing it has never been easier. Emerging platforms now allow small-scale investors to partake in large property deals without the need for significant capital. Real estate crowdfunding is one such avenue where entrepreneurs can contribute to property investments with others, sharing the rewards without the burdens of ownership and maintenance. The e-learning boom presents entrepreneurs with remarkable opportunities for passive income through online courses and digital content creation. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create courses about topics you're passionate about, sell them online, and earn money continuously with minimal upkeep. Emerging technologies, especially blockchain and its applications, present new income potential. Decentralized finance, DeFi, leverages blockchain technology and allows users to participate in financial activities such as lending and borrowing without traditional banking intermediaries. DeFi platforms offer opportunities to earn a passive income by providing liquidity or earning interest through staking. Traditional passive income methods such as dividend stocks and peer-to-peer (P2P) lending continue to thrive. Their evolution with modern technology enhances their appeal and accessibility. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a classic vehicle for achieving passive income. Dividends provide regular payouts to investors and have the potential for capital appreciation over time. Selecting well-established companies with a history of solid dividend payouts is a prudent way to ensure stability and growth in your portfolio. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect lenders directly with borrowers, eliminating the bank as a middleman. By lending your capital via a P2P network, you can earn interest on your loans. However, it's vital to assess the risks involved as there is a possibility of default. By digitizing these timeless passive income strategies, traditional methods are experiencing a revolutionary transformation. Innovatively adapting to modern platforms ensures they remain relevant and effective for generating income. When evaluating passive income opportunities, you should consider several factors such as risk tolerance, investment appetite, and personal preferences. These will help you determine which strategies align best with your entrepreneurial goals. Starting small while diversifying your investments is a strategy that mitigates risk and maximizes potential returns. By spreading your investments across different avenues, you lower the chances of a complete loss while ensuring constant cash flow from multiple sources. Here are some essential tips for entrepreneurs considering passive income ventures. Stay informed about industry trends and tech advancements to optimize your investment strategies. Maintaining a balance between active and passive income streams is crucial for financial stability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching. While building passive income, entrepreneurs often face several challenges, such as market volatility and cash flow management. Overcoming these requires strategic planning and insights. Remember, there are always solutions and resources readily accessible to help navigate any obstacles along the way. To ensure sustained income, regularly monitor and adjust your investments. Automation can be a powerful tool in managing passive income, helping streamline processes and maintain efficiency. Taking a look at real-world examples, many entrepreneurs have successfully utilized passive income strategies. Learning from these success stories provides invaluable insights and inspiration for your ventures. Listen to the experts. We'll feature interviews or quotes from passive income specialists who provide insights into upcoming trends and opportunities. Their expertise can guide your journey and highlight potential pitfalls to avoid. Take advantage of tools and platforms that facilitate passive income. Technology plays a crucial role in streamlining the passive income generation process, making it more efficient and accessible. Understanding the basic tax obligations is essential for any passive income stream, as it impacts net earnings. Each income type has different implications, so having a legal advisor can ensure you remain compliant and maximize your returns. It's important to balance short-term financial gains with your long-term goals. Strategic planning helps ensure that your passive income aligns with your broader financial objectives, prioritizing both immediate needs and future aspirations. Engage with like-minded communities to share insights, advice, and support. Building a network around your passive income interests can lead to collaborative ventures and shared opportunities. Use social media as a tool to promote and enhance your passive income ventures. Driving traffic to your platforms can increase visibility and engagement, optimizing your earning potential. The world is constantly changing, and staying updated with educational resources is vital. Continuous learning allows entrepreneurs to adapt to new opportunities and maintain a competitive edge. Constantly measure your success by evaluating your income stream's performance with metrics like ROI. Regular review allows you to revise and improve your strategies continually. As we conclude, remember that pursuing passive income is a practical and rewarding endeavor for entrepreneurs. By thoughtfully planning and strategically investing, you can achieve financial independence and security. We encourage you to engage with us by sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and join our community of forward-thinking entrepreneurs. For those eager to learn more, we provide additional reading materials and recommended tools and platforms to further explore passive income opportunities. We'll address common questions to clarify any misconceptions and provide helpful advice to budding entrepreneurs interested in passive income. To recap, we've explored several innovative passive income ideas for 2025, offering a wide range of options for entrepreneurs to consider. From real estate and e-learning to emerging technologies and traditional methods, the possibilities are vast. By investing wisely and continually adapting to new insights, entrepreneurs can create stable, long-lasting income streams. Thank you for watching our video on passive income ideas for 2025. We hope this guidance empowers you to confidently pursue and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Like, share, subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.